Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology and biochemistry. First, focus on understanding the core principles of each subject. Avoid rote memorization initially. Instead, build a strong conceptual framework. Next, actively engage with the material through methods like spaced repetition and self-quizzing. This approach significantly improves long-term retention and comprehension. Finally, integrate new information by relating it to what you already know, creating a more robust understanding. For physiology, visualizing complex processes is key. Draw diagrams and flowcharts to map out pathways and interactions, like the cardiovascular system or nerve impulses. Understand how different organ systems work together to maintain homeostasis. Don't just learn facts, understand the why behind them. Applying your knowledge to clinical scenarios, even hypothetical ones, can solidify your understanding and make the material more engaging. When tackling biochemistry, focus on understanding metabolic pathways rather than just memorizing them. Identify the key enzymes and their regulatory points. Grasp the structures and functions of essential macromolecules like proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. Utilize mnemonics and visual aids, such as drawing out reaction mechanisms, to simplify complex chemical reactions. This helps you see the bigger picture and how everything connects. To summarize, consistent review is crucial for both subjects. Regularly revisit topics to strengthen your memory and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Studying with peers can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing concepts and working through problems together offers new perspectives. Remember, effective study is about understanding, not just memorizing. And hey, while you're studying, make sure your environment is fresh. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.